The CORSAIR RM850x is an exceptional power supply unit that offers a wide range of features and benefits for any PC builder. With its fully modular design, you can create a clean and organized build, connecting only the necessary cables, which is a dream come true for those seeking a tidy and efficient setup. The 135mm magnetic levitation fan is a standout feature, providing superior performance and reliability while keeping noise levels low. This fan utilizes a custom-engineered rotor, ensuring smooth and quiet operation, a must-have for any enthusiast seeking a peaceful computing experience. One of the key advantages of the RM850x is its wide compatibility. The EPS 12V connector ensures it works seamlessly with modern graphics cards and motherboards, making it a future-proof investment. Additionally, the 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors add to its reliability and longevity, a crucial factor when considering the lifespan of your PC components. The power supply's 850-watt output wattage is more than sufficient for most high-end gaming builds and content creation workstations. It provides ample power to run multiple high-performance components simultaneously, ensuring your system remains stable and efficient. The RM850x's 80+ Gold certification is a testament to its efficiency, reducing power consumption and, consequently, your electricity bills. In terms of build quality, the RM850x doesn't disappoint. Its solid construction and premium materials give it a robust feel, inspiring confidence in its ability to handle the demands of intensive tasks. The black finish adds a touch of elegance to your PC's interior, making it a stylish choice for any build. Overall, the CORSAIR RM850x is an excellent power supply unit that offers a perfect blend of performance, reliability, and efficiency. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a PC enthusiast, this power supply will meet and exceed your expectations, providing the power and stability your system needs to perform at its best.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.